Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting progress. Back up your save to USB or cloud. Make sure you have enough free storage. Once done, open Rust Console Edition and go straight to the Profile or Settings section. Do not enter a server yet. Choose the Delete or Reset Character option and follow the on-screen confirmation prompts. This removes the current character data so you can create a fresh player. This is necessary because console builds bind character to local profile, so reset is the only built-in path. After selecting delete, read each confirmation carefully and confirm. The removal is irreversible for that local profile. Once the game reports deletion complete, exit fully and restart Rust to ensure any cached profile data clears. When the main menu returns, choose New Character or Create Profile. You will be guided through appearance and name options. Take your time customizing. This creates a fresh player instance. Make sure to join a server only after you finish creation. Otherwise, autosync may restore old data in rare cases. To finish, join any server to spawn and confirm the new character exists. This verifies the reset succeeded. If you unexpectedly see your old character, power down, clear the console cache or storage cache, and repeat the delete process. Sometimes cached files restore data. If deletion still fails, restore your backup, then contact platform support for help removing locked save files. Remember why this works. Console Rust ties character to local profile, so removing that local data is the only support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.